Guys, so we are going to do another addition strategy with a slight twist to what we've been working on this week. We've been working on making 10 and using that to help us finish or figure out addition problems. And so today and tomorrow, we're going to be working on still making 10, but instead of adding two numbers together, we're going to be adding three numbers together. And if you remember, numbers that you add together are called addends. That's this word right here. And you can a little clue is that it has the word add in it. So those are the those numbers that we would add together. So we're going to be making 10, but having three numbers to add instead of just two. So let's get started. So I'll jump past this. Okay. So all right. There we go. All right. So it says Gabe has 5 red pencils, 3 green pencils, and 5 yellow pencils. How many pencils does Gabe have in all? So we put those three numbers into a number sentence. It would look like this. 5 plus 3 plus 5 equals blank. Now, you don't have to just add 2 numbers or 3 numbers. You could add 10 numbers or 6 numbers or 100 numbers. But so this is totally doable, and something that you might see is that we have to add multiple numbers. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this number sentence and figure out how we can use making 10 strategy to help us solve the answer. And the nice thing is you don't have to add just in this order. You can add the third number, and then the first, then the second number. You can go in any order. So that's really nice. So first we're going to look for 2 numbers that we can use to make 10. So we got this friend here with the magnifying glass looking for her friends of 10, and we circled the 2 5s. I know that 5 and 5 can make 10. So they showed that here by drawing these 2 lines to make 10. Well, we can't forget this guy. We still have to add him in there. So now we know that 5 and 5 make 10. Plus 3, because we can't forget 3, would equal 13. So we still did 5 plus 3 plus 5, but we just, instead of going in this order, we said 5 and 5 make 10, plus 3 gives us 13. So 5 plus 3 is 5 would equal 13. Let's try another one. Mina ate 7 strawberries. She ate 3 blueberries, and then she ate 4 raspberries. How many berries did Mina eat? So again, we're going to put all 3 of those numbers here into a number sentence, 7 plus 3 plus 4. And now we're going to try to see what 2 numbers go together to make 10. Can you tell which ones? That's right, 7 and 3 together make 10. So we're going to add those together, which is 10. We can't forget our 4, he's still part of that. So instead of it saying 7 plus 3 plus 4, we're going to do 10 plus 4. We kind of just combine these two to now only give us 2 numbers to add. So 10 plus 4 is 14, which means that 7 plus 3 plus 4 also equals 14. Let's try one more. There were some kids on a playground. 6 kids were swinging, 2 kids were on the slide, and 8 kids were playing tag. Sounds like an awesome time at recess, huh? How many kids were on the playground? So let's take these 3 numbers, 6, 2, and 8, put them into an addition problem, and let's find friends of 10 to help us with their adding. Well, I know that 2 and 8 together give us 10, so I'm going to put those together to make it easier, and then I'm going to add on my 6, as I can't forget that third number. So instead of saying 6 plus 2 plus 8, I'm going to condense it or make it a little bit easier and say 6 plus 10, which gives us 16. So to answer this question, how many kids are on the playground, our total would be 16. So now you guys are going to give it a try on Seesaw. You're going to take the 3 addends, and we're going to figure out how can we make 10 out of 2 of them to help us with their adding. Now, like I've been saying, if you know 6 plus 2 plus 8 is 16 like that really easily, awesome. That is totally awesome. This is, again, just another way to show you how we can make it easier, help make it simpler. And as we are adding with bigger numbers and more numbers, this might help you add a little bit faster. So again, we're going to practice this today and tomorrow. So we're going to have lots of time to work on this skill.